Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope all you are doing good. Once again, welcome back to our online class. Students, in today's class, we are going to learn a new rhyme.
Hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Okay students, how was the new rhyme? It was good? Did you like it? Very good. Can you sing a few lines for me? Say loudly. Sing loudly. Very good. Now let us move to the next one. Students, so in the previous class we learned 2 new words, this and that. Do you remember? Very good. I already said the term this and that is used to denote only one object or one animal or one person. Okay. And also that is used for to denote the things is far away from us. And this is used for the things which is close to us. So all these things we already learned in our previous classes, right? Now let us learn a new word, these. What is it, students? These. Can you see that? These. Now say loudly, these. So can you spell it? T-H-E-S-E. Very good. These. Okay. So students, we use the term this for the things which is more than one, to denote the things or the person or the object which is more than one. Okay. Understood? And also students, we use the term these for the things which is close to us. Okay. Okay students, now let us learn this and these with some more examples. So students, please take your textbook and open page number 54. Fast. Done? Okay, let us start. Read the sentences aloud. Okay. Look at the first picture. What is this, students? What is this? So please say loudly. What is this? This is a ball. This is a ball. So students, please say loudly. What is this? This is a ball. Now look at the next picture. What are these? What are these? So I already said we use the word this for only one thing. So in the first picture there is only one ball. So we use the term this. In the second picture, 3 balls or more than one ball. So we use the word these. Understood? Now let us say it loudly. What are these? What are these? These are balls. These are balls. Okay. Now the next one. What is this, students? What is this? This is a pen. This is a pen. Once again, what is this? This is a pen. Now the next one. What are these, students? What are these? These are pens. These are pens. Okay. Clear? Now let us move to the next one. What is this, students? Look at the picture. What is this? This is an egg. This is an egg. What are these, students? What are these? These are eggs. What are these? These are eggs. Now the next one. What is this, students? Look at the picture. So can you answer? What is this? Say loudly. Very good. This is a tree. This is a tree. Now the next one. What are these? Say loudly. I can't hear anything. Say loudly. These are trees. These are trees. Very good. Now let us move to the next one. What is this, students? Look at the picture. What is this? This is a star. This is a star. Now the next one. What are these? These are stars. These are stars. Okay? So, please look at the pictures and also read the sentence and write the appropriate answer in the given space. Okay, this is a homework for you. Now let us move to the next one. Students, so we already learned the word that. So teacher already said that we use the term that for the things which is far away from us, right? So we are going to learn one more word. Those. What was the word? Those. So can you spell it? T-H-O-S-E. Those. Okay. Students, we use the term those for the things which is far away from us. The term those is used to denote more than one thing or a person or objects. Okay. Now let us learn those with some more examples. Open page number 56. Very good. Everybody, let us start. Okay. So read the sentences aloud. Okay. So, what was the first sentence, students? What is that? What is that? Once again, what is that? So look at the picture. That is a bird. So what is that? That is a bird. What is that? That is a bird. Okay. Now the next one. What are those? So look at the first picture. In that picture there is only one bird. Right? So that why we are using the word that, because there is only one bird. Okay. So in the second picture there are more than one bird. Okay. So that why we are using those. Okay. Understood? Now let us read it. What are those? Those are birds. What are those? Those are birds. Okay. Now the next one. Can you read it? Read it loudly. Yes. What is that? What is that? So look at the picture. What is that? That is a table. That is a table. Okay. Now what are those? What are those, students? Those are tables. Those are tables because there are 3 tables. Right? That's why we are answering like this. Those are tables. Now the next one. What is that, students? Now here you have to answer the questions. What is that, students? What is that? That is a ball. What is that? That is a ball. Once again, what is that? That is a ball. Now the next one. What are those? Can you answer? What are those? I can't hear anything. Say loudly. What are those? Those are balls. Okay. Those are balls. Now the next one. What is that, students? What is that? That is a banana. So what is that? That is a banana. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. What are those, students? What are those? Those are bananas. Those are bananas. Okay. Understood? Now here is another homework for you. So look at the page number 57. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. So please observe the picture carefully and write the appropriate answer in the given space. Okay, it is homework for you. Okay, now let us move to the next one. Students, look at me. Listen here. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Sit. Stand up. Sit. Okay. Students, let us do a picture talk today. Okay. So do you know what is a picture talk? Students, in the picture talk we have to observe the picture carefully and we have to make few sentences about the picture. Okay. Understood? So simply first we have to observe the picture carefully and we have to make one more sentences about the given pictures. So this is picture talk. Okay. Now let us start. Students, are you ready? So please take your notebook and take a pencil. Okay. So are you ready to write? Very good. Now look at the picture. Observe the picture carefully. So please pause the video and observe the picture carefully. Once you're done, let us start. Okay students, now let us make few sentences about that picture. Okay. So look at the picture once again. So in the first one, what is that person doing? Who is he? Observe him carefully. He is a potter. He is a potter. So write the spelling potter. P-O-T-T-E-R on your notebook. Potter. What is that potter doing? Students, what is the potter doing? Potter making pots with clay. Potter making pots with clay. So please pause the video and write this on your notebook. What is the potter doing? Potter making pots with clay. Okay. Now the next one. Look the picture. What is that woman doing? Look at that woman. What is she doing? She is sowing seeds. She is sowing seeds. So please write this on your notebook. What is the woman doing? Woman sowing seeds. Woman sowing seeds. What is the woman doing? Woman sowing seeds. Okay. So please pause the video and write this on your notebook. Now the next one. Look at the next picture. Who is that person? He is a cobbler, right? He is a cobbler. He is a cobbler. Can you spell it? C-O-B-B-L-E-R. Cobbler. What is the cobbler doing, students? Cobbler making shoes. Cobbler making shoes. Okay. So please pause the video and write the sentence on your notebook. Okay. So this is how we make sentences about pictures. Understood? Please write these sentences at least 5 times in your notebook. Okay. Thank you.